I'm already not feeling this video, but whatever. I've been scrolling through Pinterest trying to find some inspo of what I want my makeup to be. I was thinking something colorful because it's June, it's Pride, but let me pull up my lip balm because these lips are getting crunchy. This is probably my favorite lip oil right now. It's the Versed conditioning lip oil and it is so good. Don't look at my nails. I have an appointment on Thursday and today is Tuesday. So recently I've been using the Bella clear brow gel and this has like beat everything else that I've ever tried. I kept the packaging just for you, just so you can see it. This is what it looks like with this thing in there. Oh, so cute, love it. Yes, I tried the Got To Be. I love it. I just haven't gotten any recently. I haven't tried their eyebrow, like the ones actually dedicated to eyebrows. I've only used their gel, like their hair gel as brow gel, and I love it. I've tried the Benefit, the brow setter, and the brow fizz. I've also tried the e.l.f. I'm sorry, I was not fucking with it. And I love this. Is literally like a mascara thing. I don't know how to explain it, but it's real good. If you're a still brow girly, you're gonna love this. But if you're a 2016 girly, I don't know what to tell you because that was 7 years ago. 1 minute. Yeah, 7 years ago, honey. I usually don't even need to like redip my this back into this because it usually has enough product. Ultimately, I feel like I'm using less than like any other product that I would use. They don't get crunchy, they don't get flaky, they don't get ashy, they don't like nothing. It's just a beautiful laid brow. And then I always go in and clean it up because if you mix brow gel and foundation or concealer or any makeup product, that shit is gonna crumble up. It's just ugly. I know my brows don't look the same. This one is just like naturally higher, and then I don't know. In my pictures they look the same, and that's all that matters to me. I really need to stop filming at night. I wanted to take advantage because my man is at work, and I know you guys heard him in the last video talking and laughing and yelling and whatever he was doing. He was playing video games with his friends and you could hear it. I didn't think you could, but you could hear it. I'm definitely still adjusting to my new beauty space and like finding a setup that I like. I used to complain about my other setup when I was back at home, but then I rewatch my videos and I'm like, that was really kind of cute. And this is kind of cute, you know. I'm still trying to like figure out where I want to set up. I have a few different corners that I can use, but I definitely want to get a neon sign, and I think it would look so cute like right in this, like above my mirror and like right here. I feel like it would look so cute. I still don't know what I wanted to say. Like it could just say my name, but I also I used to have a neon sign. I mean, I still have it, but it's back home. It said Pretty Girls, and I kind of like fuck with that. I feel like I want it to be my thing, so I think I'm just gonna do that. You guys probably just like don't give a fuck, but I ordered some new lights. They're like LED lights, but like also softbox lights, kind of. They're newer LED lights attachments, so they turn into softboxes, and I really like it. I definitely feel like if you do like social media or makeup or whatever the fuck, and you need lighting and you don't have like that much of a big area, I would definitely recommend these. They're pretty bright for like the tiny little things that they are. I am gonna have it linked in my storefront, and they were actually really like not expensive. I think they were like 200 bucks, 180 for both of them with the attachments, and like they have everything. So if you've been looking for some lights but don't know what to get, in my storefront. I was in a recording, but let's not get mad. So I used the Professional Smooth Sip Moisturizer. This is for lightweight smoothing moisturizer for pores. And then I went in with the Beauty Creations Flawless Primer Stick. I use it around my nose because, as I was just saying, but you didn't even know because it wasn't recording, I just discovered that I have pores like on this crevice of my nose, and they're kind of like pores, kind of not, because I had my nose pierced 3 times on this side, but like not even in the same spot. It's like multiple, like it's in the same like little dent, but it's like 3 different dots, and them holes just never closed. And then I have like actual pores, and I just discovered that. So whenever I wear makeup, like, you are not about to see them ever again. So if you already saw them, I'm so sorry. I was saying once again, but you guys couldn't hear because it wasn't recording, I'm gonna be on vacation in about a week or so, and I'm ready. Like, these bags are not packed, but I'm ready to go. Who knows, maybe I'll take you guys with me. I've been really fucking with this Merit concealer. It's in the shade Cream, and honestly I got this like not so recent ago, but I fucking love it, especially when I'm not wearing any makeup. Like, I feel like it's my perfect skin tone shade, but I also feel like it cancels out my dark circles. So when I'm not wearing makeup, I just do that and then just like rub it out with my finger. And I don't know if I'm tripping, but I've never seen it crease, so I don't be setting it. But when I have makeup on, sometimes I'll just apply it just to cancel out my dark circles, and then I'll go on top with like a heavier concealer. You see, like, that already made a big fat ass difference. Like I mentioned, I'm getting my nails done on Thursday, and I'm still not sure if I want to get my lashes done, because if you don't know, I do lashes and I be lashing myself when I go on trips, but I have been so exhausted recently. So just the thought about doing my own lashes, I'm just like, I want to go to bed. Lash it literally takes me like 7-8 hours, and like if I'm consistent with it, so like maybe 3.5 to 4 hours each eye. So do I want to do that, or do I just want to pay somebody to do it? But I also am so scared to go to someone. I think I've only gone to 3 people, and the first 2 people I ever went to were Classic Lashes. Those are cute, but bitch, I need me some volume. And then I went to this one girl, I've been to her twice, and she's pretty good, but she be booked. So I feel like, I think I checked her schedule and there was nothing for me, because I leave Saturday night. I'm from Guanajuato, and I have not been to my fucking area. I don't know why I went fucking blank. I haven't been to my part of Mexico in like 3 or 4 years, so I'm trying to go soon. I don't know about this year, but maybe next year I'm there, because we have fiestas and I haven't been in so long. So yeah, Guanajuato is more like not a city, well, at least where I'm from, it's more like, I want to say it's un rancho, because not everybody, like, we're not about that. Like, my family doesn't have cows and horses and shit like that, but it's like a little pueblito where I'm from. I have a bone to pick with you bitches that sold out the Stanley, because I've been waiting months for Target to have it back in stock. And I got this one from TJ Maxx. Bitch, I don't even know what this is called. Hydro Flow. I had to get me a Hydro Flow, but I'll tell you what, it does the job. But bitch, I just want a Stanley. Like, bitch, I don't care if it's $40-50. I want me a Stanley. That is all. And I know I want to get my eyebrows laminated, but my original lash girl is no longer in the premises. She moved to LA, which good for her. I'm so happy for her. But girl, you have to do us like this. like, you just did not. Because now I don't trust anybody else besides her to even touch my brows. So I'm like, I just gotta figure it out on my own. Like, I just have to do my brows myself. Sometimes I just don't want to, and I hope you're doing good, I guess, but like my brows are struggling. So like I think I'm gonna do like 2 videos, like preparing for my trip, and then the other one, the actual trip. I mean, it's like 50% me and then 50% my man, because he's been on my ass about filming. But like, let's give him like 20% credit because he told me to, but like then 80% me, because I actually went through with it and did it, and I had to set, it literally took me an hour to set up all of this shit, and then it's another few hours of me filming. Like fucking 10 hours is gonna take me to edit this. Do we like these lashes? Because I think I like these lashes, and girl, I got these at TJ Maxx. Michaela lashes in collab with Glam Light. Girl, I found these at TJ Maxx. $4.99. I don't know, I feel like I'm always so hard on myself. So let me tell you guys the story time of how you are probably here and don't remember who the fuck I am. So I posted a video a few years ago and it went really well, but before that I was really consistent and I was posting hella videos once a week. And girl, I would bust my ass off getting the fucking videos once a week because it's hard. Like girl, it's hard. I remember I posted while these lashes dry. I remember I was posting really consistently, and then I posted like this specific video that ended up doing really well, and it started like accumulating views. And it was so weird because I posted it, but I didn't get views until like maybe the 5th or the 6th day that I had posted it, and then like exactly a week later after I posted that video, I obviously, like I said, I was being consistent. I was posting either every Sunday or every Monday, which I like, and I think I'm going to continue to post on those days. It started doing really well, and I started racking up some followers and like an audience, I guess you can say. And then my like normal views was minimum like 5K, but when I would get 5K views on one video, I would be like, oh my god, so embarrassing, I want to delete it, and like literally never giving myself credit. And I stopped posting for a while. Like I don't even know how long I stopped posting for, but I stopped posting, and then obviously when you quit something and then you come back, like your engagement is like hella fucking low. So when I came back, I started getting, I think minimum like 1K views, if that. And then I was like, oh my god, once again bitch, like I was so fucking embarrassed. I was like, nobody look at me. I stopped posting yet again, and then I came back and my minimum I think was like 500, 400, and then I was even more embarrassed, and then I stopped posting, and then here I am trying to post again, and I'm like, don't look at the views, don't look at the views, don't look at the views. I actually enjoy doing this, and the views part is the only thing that fucks it up, because realistically I feel like people don't even check that shit more than you check that shit. So I'm trying to like not look at it so that it doesn't get in the way of me posting again, because then I posted a week ago and then it was at like 200, and I was like, I used to be embarrassed at 5K and now it's 200. Here we go again. It's time for me to go. I sometimes don't fuck with these. These are from Kala because they have like these little like wiggle, like squiggly lines that create dents in my hair. I don't know if you can see, but it's literally like right here where I placed them. I'm actually obsessed with the lashes. I don't even know if they have a name, honestly, because it literally doesn't say anything anywhere. It has like a little sticker right there, and it says code orange, but that could literally mean nothing, or unless that's the name of the lashes, code orange. I don't fucking know. For my lips, I went in with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Espresso, and then my Revlon lipstick. It's literally a bright pink, and I love it so much. It's in the shade Candy Addict, and I also went in with the Beauty Creations collab with the Murillo twins. This one is in the shade Bravery. So yeah, lip pencil and then 2 shades. I just mixed them together. I think it came out so cute. When I go out, I honestly don't even wear eyeshadow like that, but I think I will. But yeah, I'm all done with the look. I'm honestly ready for bed, so I'll see you tomorrow.